Alright guys, I want to show you guys how you can achieve these soap shapes. Okay, the soap shapes, can you see it? How I achieve it using our shaper. Okay, you can see this too. All you need is a shaper, and this is your normal soap cut. This is your soap. You just what, slide it. Okay, that's the first shape I'm showing you, just the 4 edges. Okay, all right, and here, this is the beautiful shape for this. Okay, then for this one, this is how I got it. Just now here, you know, when this one is the side and this place, this one here is here. So to get another beautiful shape from this, okay, you can still do both the 4 edges to get this beautiful shape. Can you see this lovely? These are shapes that you will get from our shaper. Okay, this is the 3 beautiful shape that you can get from our shaper. This is the first one, this is the 3rd shape. Okay, so these are the 3 beautiful shapes that you can get from our shaper. One thing about this shape is that it makes your soap looks bigger, all right, and this one makes it looks unique, and this one makes it look normal and average. So this is the 3 shapes. All right, this is the 3 shape. So this is the shape 1 that I achieved. Okay, so I just want to have this, that luxury shape. Can you see it? From this now to this wonderful shape. I love this actually. I think I'm okay with this. I'm okay with this shape. So you just repeat the process, and yeah, this will even help you to have more soap, like have more soap to yourself, more profitable soap. Okay, just go on, go on, go on, like that, and then we're seeing that from this look now. Both shapes are okay. Both shapes are okay. You can decide to maintain this shape or this shape, or rather you can keep this and make this shape. Okay, so these are the beautiful soap you get when you purchase our cutter and our shaper. We also have a groover. Yes, we have a groover that will also line your soap, okay, in the by the side. Okay, that will give it that straight line. All right, so that is it. So guys, this is our beautiful wood soap after shaping it. Just want us to see, and these are, of course, can rebatch and still get one more piece of soap of this size. Okay, it's profit to us. This is it. I'm going to be rebatching it. Okay, so these are beautiful. So is this not loving? This is what our cutters does. Also cutter cuts smoothly. Okay, and this is our multi-purpose cutter. You can see I cut and dry my soap on it. This is our multi-purpose cutter, our big cutter, and this is our mini cutter that I use in cutting this soap here. This is it, the multi-purpose table cutter, and this is the mini table cutter. Okay, this is just it. It's easy to be used and very, very, very moderate to use. Okay, so if you're buying hammer does not come with it, you can get that separately, but this is the type I made 2 and I sent 1 as a waybill, and I'm making use of the second one myself. Okay, so if you have any question, please drop it in my comment section. Bye, see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Love you all. Bye.